In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Workspace account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You'll need to be signed in as an administrator with billing permissions for your organization. Canceling affects user access and email delivery, so make sure this is really what you want. It's also a good idea to let your team know and, if needed, export important data beforehand. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google admin console, admin.google.com. Sign in with your admin account, and once you're on the admin homepage, you'll see a series of cards and a left-hand navigation menu. We're going straight to the place that controls payments and plans. From the home screen, click Billing. This section is where Google groups all of your active services, add-ons, and payment details. If you don't see billing right away, look for it in the left side menu or use the search bar at the top of the admin console and type Billing. That will take you to the same place. Inside Billing, select Subscriptions. This view lists every product your organization is currently paying for, along with its status, plan type, and renewal details. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account and domain, especially if you manage multiple environments. Find your Google Workspace subscription, such as Google Workspace Business Standard, and click it to open the subscription details. If your edition is different, like Business Starter, Business Plus, or an Enterprise plan, the process is the same. Opening the subscription takes you to a page with plan info, users, payment settings, and management actions. On the subscription page, look for a menu labeled More. This might appear as a button or the three-dot icon in the upper area of the page. Click More to reveal additional management options that aren't shown on the main overview. From the expanded options, choose Cancel Subscription. Google will guide you through a short confirmation flow. You may be asked to choose a reason for canceling, and you'll see important notices about what happens next. Read these carefully. Typically, cancellation affects billing going forward and may impact user access after the current billing period or at a specified date. You may also see information about data retention and how long you have to restore service if you change your mind. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. That's it. You've initiated the cancellation of your Google Workspace subscription. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation messages and any follow-up actions Google recommends. If you decide to come back later, you can return to billing to reactivate or choose a different plan. Thanks for watching and take care.